Find an equation of the tangent line to the curve x squared plus 4y squared equals 5 at the point 1, 1. So for the equation of a tangent line, we need to know the slope of the tangent line. For the slope of the tangent line, we need to know the derivative. And because this isn't really easily written as y as a function of x, it's best here to use implicit differentiation. So if we differentiate the left-hand side, it's going to be d over dx of x squared plus 4y squared. And we can set that equal to the derivative of the right-hand side, d over dx of 5. And on the left-hand side, when we differentiate, the derivative of x squared is 2x plus the derivative of 4y squared. Well, the derivative of y squared is 2y. And when we multiply that by 4, that gives us 8y. But then we also have to multiply by what? Y prime, because y is a function of x. And so this is actually something we use the chain rule on. So we need to multiply by y prime. Then on the right, the derivative of a constant is 0. To get the y prime alone, we subtract 2x from both sides. 8y y prime equals negative 2x. We divide both sides by 8y. We can actually simplify the right-hand side. We can reduce by a factor of 2. So it's going to be negative x over 8y. Now, we need to evaluate this at the point 1, 1. And so for our derivative, when we've got x, y equals 1, 1, that's going to be equal to negative 1 over 8 times 1, or negative 1/8. So the slope of the tangent line is going to be negative 1/8. So we can put this into point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That's going to be y minus 1 equals negative 1/8 times x minus 1. And if we want to put this in slope-intercept form, we can distribute that negative 1/8 on the right-hand side. So negative 1/8 x plus 1/8, negative times a negative is a positive. And if we add 1 to both sides, we've got negative 1/8 x plus 1/8 plus 1 is going to end up being 9/8. So we've got y equals negative 1/8 x plus 9/8.